For this project I'm going to use a raffia, paper raffia, which is the one that is round and not the one that is flat. I am also going to use a 3mm hook. First we are going to do a magic circle. I'm going to get one loop through. Then I'm going to do 2 chain stitches. Then I'm going to continue crocheting 11 single crochets inside of the circle. So 1, 2, 3. Once we have 11 single crochets in the magic circle, I am going to pull and just form a circle. Just be careful not to pull too tight because it will just break. As you can see, I have put a marker at the first single crochet, and that is because I'm not going to insert the hook and do a slip stitch in the first single crochet, but I'm going to do it right here at the chain stitch that we had before the single crochet. Just grab, even if you can just grab one loop, just grab one loop, because it's very difficult to grab this chain stitch before the first single crochet. And I'm gonna do here one slip stitch. And if you count now in total, I'm gonna have 12 single crochets. So this one, it will be the 12th one. So now the pattern, it is going to continue like this. 2 chain stitches, skip 1 single crochet and single crochet on the second stitch. Okay, so 2 chain stitches, 1, 2, skip 1 stitch and single crochet on the second one. Grab both loops and single crochet, and I'm just going to continue. So we're going to have this space like this, and 2 chain stitches, skip 1 stitch, single crochet in the second one, and continue doing that until you have in total 5 of them, and the 6th one I will show you how to connect. So I made already 2 and I will continue to have 5. So 2 chains, skip 1 stitch, single crochet, 3, 2 chains, skip 1 stitch, single crochet, 2 chains, skip 1 stitch, single crochet. So I have 5 of them, as I told you, and I have here, I am left with 1 single crochet here in the middle, and then here is where we did the 2 chain stitches. So I'm going to do the one last time. So this is the 6th time that I do 2 chain stitches. I'm going to skip the stitch and the next stitch, and I'm going to insert the hook right here at the next stitch at the bottom, and I'm going to do 1 slip stitch. So in total I'm gonna have 6 of them. It is difficult to see right now, but I'm going to try and show you that I have like 6 small petals. You can maybe see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the pattern, it is going to continue like this. 2 chain stitches, 1, 2. Then here where we have this first hole, this first petal that we did with the chain stitches, I am going to crochet 5 double crochets. So inside here 5 double crochets, 1, 2. So after 5 double crochets I'm going to do another 2 chains, 1, 2. I'm going to insert the hook here where we did the previous single crochet and 1 slip stitch. So this is the first petal. It will look like this. Then I'm just going to continue the same pattern. 2 chain stitches, 1 and 2. Then here at the hole I'm going to do 5 double crochets. and 2 chain stitches after 5 double crochets, and slip stitch here at the foot of the last double crochet here where we have this single crochet. I'm gonna do 1 slip stitch. So this is my second petal, and I'm just going to continue this pattern very easy. 2 chain stitches, 5 double crochet, 2 chain stitches, slip stitch here. So I will continue this one until the end, and I will have 6 petals in total. And at the 6th one I am going to show you how to connect the last petal with the first one. So here at the last petal, when I did the last two chain stitches, so I am going to insert the hook now here, right here at the foot of the previous 2 chain stitches, right here at the bottom, and insert the hook. Then I'm just going to do 1 slip stitch, and I'm going to do 1 more chain, pull some yarn and cut. So this is how the first petal that is going to look, and we have ends to wave in, but this later on.